Welcome to FlashBot, the first no-COD arbitrage trading bot that leverages flash loans. Here, enjoy risk-free on-chain arbitrage opportunities, automatic pair matching, and routing. Let's start by selecting the network. Choose either ETH or BSC. This is the network where you want to begin your arbitrage adventure. After selecting your desired network, you need to enter a token address. This allows our Arbitrage Finder to locate the best opportunities for you. Be patient. Our system is now searching for the best arbitrage opportunity and swap routing for your selected token. This process ensures you get the most optimal conditions for your operations. Great. Our system found a deal. Let's take a look at the details. The Arbitrage Finder has provided an estimate of your potential earnings if you start the arbitrage bot right now. Next, we need to obtain the loan for the arbitrage. This could be from AAV, Multiplier Finance, or PancakeSwap/Uniswap. But don't worry, our DAPP will handle all of it, and you just need to select the loan amount. Now it's time to meet your part of the deal. To activate the flash loan, you'll have to deposit either ETA or BNB. This step covers the fees of your loan and triggers the arbitrage process. Excellent. Now that you've deposited your ETH or BNB, the bot will execute the arbitrage trades. It will repay the flash loan amount and split the profit between you and the developers. In case of any hiccups during the process and you have an unclaimed balance, simply make the deposit again. Upon completion, you'll receive not just the profits from your arbitrage, but also the fees from the last attempt. A friendly reminder, to prevent front running, it is recommended to make a deposit of at least 0.5 BNB or 0.2 ETA. This measure ensures your transaction gets processed swiftly and seamlessly. At FlashBot, we impose a minimal fee of only 0.3% to support the DAPP development. This fee is already deducted from the estimated profit shown to you. And that's it. You're now ready to profit from Flash Loan Arbitrage. Get ready to dive into this exciting journey and increase your ROI with FlashBot. We are proud partners of GitHub, OpenAI, CoinDesk, and CoinMarketCap, standing at the forefront of providing risk-free, streamlined flash loan arbitrage services.